Hello everyone, myself Hemant Panchal from New Catholic Mission School, Java. Today we are going to start exercise 3.4. In this exercise, we discuss common factors. In previous video, we cover common factors and common multiply in introduction video. Now your first question is find the common factor. First, we have first question 20 and 28. Now first we find factor of 20 same as factor of 28. Separately we find factor of 20 and factor of 28. So what is the factor of 20? So first 1 is a factor of any number. Now 2, 4, 5, now 10 and 20. This is a factor of 20. So now same as factor of 28. Now 1, 2, 4 and 7, 14 and 28. Okay. So this is a factor of 28. Now question is common factor. What is the common factor? Factor of 20 and factor of 28. What is the common factor in this question? So 1, 2, 4. Okay. So this is a common factor. So your answer will be common factor of 20 and 28 is 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So this is a procedure of finding the common factor of particular numbers. Okay. So it will be your answer. Now next question. Next question is 15 and 35. Now first we find out the factor of 15 and factor of 35. First, factors of 15. So what is the factor of 15? 1 15s are 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15 and 15 ones are 15. So this is your factor of 15. Same as factor of 35. So 1 and 5 7s are 7 5s are and 35 ones are. So this is common, this is a factor of 35. So now we find common factor. So common factor is 1 and 5. So your answer common factors is 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 is your common factor of 15 and 35. So this is your answer. Now next question. Second question, find the common factor of, again we find common factors. Question number second. Number is 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. Now first we find common factor of 4, 8 and 12. Separately find the factor of 4, factors of 8, factor of 12. So what is the factor of 4? 1, 2 and 4. It is factor of 4. Now factor of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. So it is a factor of 8. Now factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is factor of 12. Now we find common factor. Common factor 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 4, 4 and 4. Now your answer will be 1, 2 and 4 will be your common factor of the particular number. So common factors equal to 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So your first question completed. Now next question 5, 15 and 25. It will be your it is for your homework. So try to solve. Now question number 3, common multiples. Now we find common multiples. Common multiples. First question is 6 and 8. Common multiple, that means we we write the table of the particular number. So find the first 3 common multiple. So multiples of 6, that means table of 6, 6 to the 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. So this is a multiple of 6. Now we find multiple of 8. Multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So yeah. So this is a multiple of 6 and multiple of 8. Now in this we find the common multiple. Common multiple, that means what? 24 and 24. Now here (66), 72. So 72 and 72. So common multiple first 3 common multiple, that means 1, 2 and here 80, 76, 82, 48. Okay, 48, 8 also. So first multiple is 24. First 3 multiple 24, 48 and 72. So 24, 48 and 72 is your first 3 common multiple. For this question Again I repeat, first we multiple of 6, multiple of 8. Now common multiple, that means number is available in both tables, that means 24 and 24, 48 and 48, 72 and 72. So these number is available in both tables. So our common multiple is 24, 48 and 72. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. So first we find common multiples of 3 less than 100, that means (75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. So this is a common this is the multiple of 3 less than 100. So first we write multiple of 3 less than 100. Same as we write multiple of 4. Multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Now 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. Okay, so this is the multiple of 4 less than 100. Now we find common multiple. Now we find common multiple, that means 12 and 12. Now 24, 24. Okay, and here 36 and 36 and 48, 48 and 72, 72 and any other 96 and 96. Okay, so common multiple is common multiples first 12, 24, 36, 48 and 72. So common multiple is 12, 24, 36, 48 and 72. This is your answer. This is a common multiple of 3 and 4 less than 100. And now next question is, now we discuss next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. In this question, which of the following number are co-prime? Now we find co-prime numbers. Co-prime, that means a number having only common factor is 1. That means if you have common factor 1 as a common factor, so we call number is a co-prime. That means question number 1. Your first question is 18 and 35. Okay. So first, if you are finding co-prime number, first we find the factor of particular number. So factor of 18 same as factor of 35. So first we find the factor of 18. So what is the factor of 18? 1, 2, 3 and 6, 9 and 18. So 1 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 6 ja, 6 3 ja, 9 2 ja and 18 1 ja. So this is a common factor of 18. Same as 1, 5, 7 and 35. This is the common factor of 35. So this is the factor of 35. Now we find common factor. So common factor is only 1. No any other factor will be common. So common factor 1 as a common factor. So given number is co-prime. If we find 1 as a common factor, so we call 18 and 35 is a co-prime number. Now we take another question, second question. Number is 15 and 37. 15 and 37. Now solve. First we find factors of 15 and factor of 37. So what is the factor of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. This is a factor of 15, and factor of 37 1 and 37 only, because 37 is a prime number. So now we see 1 as a common factor. So 1 as a common factor. So numbers is co-prime. So 15 and 37 is a co-prime number because 1 as a common factor. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Question number is 6 is a number is divisible by 5 and 12. By which other number what the number will be always divisible? Solution. If number is divisible by 5 and 12. So 5 into 12 equal to 60. That means 5 into 12 into 5 into 12 equal to 60. So number is also divisible by 60. Divisible by 60. So your number is 60. So if your number is divisible by 5 and 12, so number is also divisible by 60, because 60 5 and 12 is a factor of 60. Okay, so this is your answer. 60 will be your answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7, last question of this exercise. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number is divisible? So factor of 12. First we find factor of 12, because number is divisible by 12. So factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number and 6 and 12. So factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So given number is also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. That means if your number is divisible by 12, so number is also divisible by this number, because factor of this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so number is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, because 12 factor of 12 is this. Okay, so question number 7 is completed. So this is your last question of this exercise. Okay, now we discuss exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. So we take basic question of this exercise. Question number 2. Question number 2. Here are two different factor tree of our 60. Write the missing number. Question number 2. Factor tree of 60. Find the missing numbers. And factor tree is 60, 'Okay, so this is a factor tree of 60, but in this factor tree number is missing. That means these and these, what will be there? So what is the number we will put here? So now we complete this factor tree. So what is the concept of factor tree? That means 6 tens are 60. Okay, 6. So 2 3s are 6. We speak the, we tell the table of particular number. So 6 tens are 60, and here 2, what number? 2 3s are 6. So here we put 3. 2 3s are 6, and here 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Once again I repeat, 6 10s are 60 and 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So now this factor tree is completed. So this is your answer. Here 3 and here 2. Okay. Now second factor tree is second factor tree. 60, here 30, here question mark, and 10, again question mark, and question mark. Now given factor tree is here. Now we complete this factor tree. So 60, so 32s are 60. Now this, what is the number here? 10, 10 3s are 30, 10 3s are 30. Put the multiply sign. 10 3s are 30. Here 10, what is the number? 5 2s are 10. So this is your factor tree. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, and 30 2s are 60. So your factor tree is completed. Now next question is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, which factor are not included in the prime factorization of composite number? Because composite prime factorization of composite number. So composite number, that means we take, for example, we take 12 and prime factor is 2, 2 6 are 12, and here 2 3s are 6. So 2 and 3 is a factor of 12. 2 and 3 is a common factor. 1 is not included. So your answer is 1 as a common, 1 as a factor is not included. So your answer will be 1. So your answer will be 1 as a common, 1 as factor is not included in prime factorization of the composite number. So your answer will be 1 as a